Hello students, today we discuss about the types of ecosystem of chapter number 18 ecosystem. Most of the ecosystem are complex in nature and found quantitative and qualitative species or variety of species of plant and animals. In the ecosystem of tropical country like India, few species of few variety of plant and animals are found everywhere and in large number. Remaining species of plant and animals are present in a less number, and very few species of plant and animals are found in very means small region. So there are variety of ecosystem are found on earth. For example, pond ecosystem, desert ecosystem, forest ecosystem. So we can see the number of ecosystem on the earth. Now we know that there are in some region, due to the climate factor, the various ecosystems are found. So type of ecosystem are found according to the place, then climate or environment, changing climate or environment, and also variety of species of plant and animals. In the earth or in the biosphere, a variety of ecosystem are present. For example, uh, according to the particular geographic area, they have a different ecosystem. And though the ecosystem are look independent, but they are related to each other, or one ecosystem depends on the other, or there is interaction, or these ecosystem are linked to each other. Now we see biomes. What is biomes? In some region on earth, a large area has same climate and abiotic factor. So the living organism in those areas are also similar. So a specific ecosystem develops in vast area is called biomes. तो अर्थ पे जो रीजन रहते हैं, बड़ा जो क्या रहता है रीजन रहता है, उसमें क्या रहता है सेम क्लाइमेट एंड सेम अबॉइटिक फैक्टर, और उसमें रहने वाले जो प्लांट एंड एनिमल्स है वो भी क्या रहते हैं सिमिलर रहते हैं. तो इस तरह से जो स्पेसिफिक इकोसिस्टम क्या होती है डेवलप होती है इन अ वास्ट एरिया, उसे क्या कहते हैं दैट एरिया इज कॉल्ड एज बायोम्स. एंड अर्थ इज अ लार्ज बायोम. ऑन अर्थ टू टाइप्स ऑफ biomes are present, land biome and aquatic biome. Now we discuss about the land biome. Land biome, the biomes which exist only on land. तो इसे क्या कहते हैं land biomes. So in land biomes different ecosystem are present. Now we discuss about the types of ecosystem. So first is the grassland ecosystem. Now what is mean by grassland ecosystem? अब जहाँ पे rainfall क्या रहता है कम रहता है, तो उस जगह पे क्या होता है जो बड़े ट्रीज हैं वो ग्रो नहीं हो सकते, और उसके कारण वहाँ पे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या रहता है ग्रास रहता है, और द एरिया कवर्ड बाय ग्रास. तो इस टाइप से जो इकोसिस्टम फॉर्म होती है उसे क्या कहते हैं ग्रासलैंड इकोसिस्टम. सो ग्रासलैंड डेवलप्स वेयर रेनफॉल इज नॉट इनफ टू ग्रो बिग ट्रीज. लॉन्गर समर एंड लिमिटेड रेन डेवलप्स डॉर्फ प्लांट इन दिस एरियाज. तो यहाँ पे समर जो रहता है वो क्या रहता है लॉन्गर रहता है, और रेन फॉल भी क्या रहता है लिमिटेड रेन होने के कारण यहाँ पे जो प्लांट्स रहते हैं वो ज़्यादा बड़े ग्रो नहीं होते. डॉट प्लांट्स उस एरिया में ज़्यादा रहते हैं. और एग्जांपल क्या है कौन से एनिमल्स उसमें ग्रो होते हैं, तो एनिमल्स लाइक गोट, शीप, जिराफ, जेब्रा, एलिफेंट, डियर, चीतल, टाइगर एंड लॉयन आर प्रेजेंट इन द ग्रासलैंड इकोसिस्टम. Then various birds, insects and microbes are also present in grassland ecosystem. Then we see the evergreen forest. So it's a natural ecosystem where variety of plant, animals and abiotic factors are found. So in order to protect the plant and animals, or in order to protect the forest, okay, various national park and sanctuaries are established in India. So see here some national park and or sanctuary are given, and the state is also given in which they are present. So first is the Gir, it is present in Gujarat. Then Dhaching gum, it is present in Jammu Kashmir. Ranthambore, present in situated in Rajasthan. Dajipur in Maharashtra. Kaziranga in Assam. Sundarban, it is present in West Bengal. Melghat, present in Maharashtra, and Periyar, it is present in Kerala. Now, component of forest or components of forest ecosystem. So there are number of components are there. We know that producer, primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer, and decomposers. So producer, which type of producer are present? That is Dipterocarpus, teak, pine, sandalwood. Such type of plants are grow there. Primary consumer consists of ants, grasshopper, spider, butterfly, squirrel, fruit bat. Then secondary consumer consists of snake, bird, lizard, jackal, chameleon, frog, and owl. Tertiary consumer consists of tiger, falcon, cheetah, and eagle. And decomposers consist of Aspergillus, Polycarpus, Agaricus, means bacteria and fungi are included in the decomposer. So it forms a ecosystem and it is called as the evergreen forest ecosystem.